Well, you know, a chean wadi caiach.
Oh, gur maigad. Sfada le chuirtí sin orm bhí mé burthe chun ar gaidirh long distance relationships tá sé réit Jackar.
Creidir mé. Cé mar tatu.
Go mai. Oof. Go mai. Tá. Huh?
Jan tos cadé a bhí mé a dhéanaí ar bhí mé ag fánach leat an cúig bhoma sin.
Couple of different he and Vitu Kaini Mochoj Ama Mochodja Honestjack Ama.
Well, bhí an tosa ag fánacht lumsa an el seachtain sú a lum sin dhéanaí.
Well, Beidigam win Wajig Runch and Durland. See now.
Rud a bhhanan le clár agran na seachtain na seo.
BT Gleo Twilight na ro.
No, bhí mé a ggéisteach le ceol Olivia Rodriguez.
I don't even know who that is, man.
No.
I don't even know. The name alone.
Colleen seacht nína Jake Dish ó California a ceoln oran fi bheith críomh reiste agus scaring stága. Ag an riamh is muile mé.
There's one that's just very cute. You don't have to be embarrassed about that.
Lé me track the wine ar an YouTube video agus hí mar sé go garn sé síos go ngeanan sé chur síos go maiir. Bro, Denny me seo Blas Americana. Bro, I'm a 31-year-old man. And this album makes me feel like a heartbroken 17-year-old girl. Like a nostalgic catharsis of a time I never actually experienced. 10 out of 10 would sour again.
God it. We haven't. Right. Can when you go bloody Jean Chursiani or blasting Americanacha the thriller. Okay. That's why you went to the East Coast versus West Coast.
No,
North versus South.
Neil and Bua Shan Ogum.
Jesus. We'd be better just not doing it at all.
Sean Ashton Glass on Deep South Shannon Kiln is far.
Well. Aaron Aversion. That shit is Samuel there's Fedger le Danigan I don't know. I can mooi handje na chur lacher. Agus some no I don't know. Empathy a spraggy o dini nachwon can you'll tay seal she knock your harby like.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Can you'll kill Yancy?
Pure pop like na ruddy. And fa agus dar nuid tá man glúirt in nniu faoi guilty pleasures a chairte. Is agam an gíalach a churthan air sin Liam.
Guilty pleasures. Emily Rodriguez.
Pleasure.
Well, Jen Gilliger guilty. Tattoo.
Kiontach.
I don't know. It doesn't really. Well, pleasure Kiontach, but no, Neil check there.
Okay, much. Scríú isteach the
Ní híl had go round with an hour shot couple of shack go hen agus ní híl not a stream much the illegal guilty pleasures. really living up to our objective of doing the most informal podcast show as Gilliga ever.
But no,
ourselves.
the Fragger at Hortstead is pure like girly pop cool, and Kenya also getting rather Jan and Spotify and Blian go guaranteed it amach Spotify Wrapped listed den horan is mó a déis tú leis an mbliana. Sean cenneol ceol a churthain neire or tugus tú ag taispont an listed de hud cardja. Tá tú géirí an iwa churortaíon go nation tú beidir le pure trad nó 70s rock nó Cibí rud atá tú géirí a taispont de hud cardja.
Seo grammar agus bhí mé bhí mé cinneal naire agus stoithe gur nach é an rud is massa bhd agus ní bhéontas ar bíart. Bhí arm sin dhéanamh fan quiz le chunar na Gaeilge airline agus bhíart sort of like screenshot the Spotify most popular den bblion sin den bblianar. Agus an track a bhí an that Braveheart Battle of Stirling scene. No, Braveheart Outlawed Pipes, if you know that scene. Braveheart Outlawed Pipes.
And
that's a good.
yeah,
Fire Oku, the Nahar.
Oh, that's like I'm killing sin, yeah.
Best scene ever. But there's something really embarrassing and cheesy about it because I don't know.
Yeah. Tashpunt and teeth pre-rejection.
And I just lap up that Hollywood bullshit. Oh, I love it. But go foil is a Kyundana Horan as Spardums there, Spotify. Just love sticking it on.
Averlum these mo guilty pleasure cure. And may I guess that Taylor Swift no Ruddy immersion.
Oh my god, this brand Taylor Swift.
Here we go. Here we fucking go.
Oh my god, this brand. New Screamish, she's guilty pleasures, but that one was omitted.
We shouldn't raw. Contact the horror list.
Oh dear god. Tay. Where did I begin? White Horses. White Horse, I mean, she's a class. No, I need to like after the Yancy. But the Kudjari, it just cuts you to the core. You know? My God, that's a woman that's been beat up. Up and down. Wow. Into my. Agus my them when Raim Shakil Yancy. But the may it can't the cara Ernamal Agus is Margalla and Cara shot a Daphne Mema engineer Taylor Swift. There hasn't she a good longer punch ach hasn't she a wad nís much mar Hershey may Jaguar Oran all too well. The 10-minute version. 10 minutes of Taylor Swift just breaking your heart. Taking you through her journey. Oh, it's class. As your reviewer said, a really cathartic experience. It's like a proper story. And everybody feels like they can relate, even if they can't relate. Oh, it's unreal. We're on it. Thought I had to throw it out there. Yeah. During room was she gets Jack the Shin, Jack Larch, a couple of me. Yep. Just we're on it way. These comes to Hershey share.
Give me a stack.
All too well, the 10-minute version.
No, Brehanus are being Sean you. Sean gan Brehanus.
There you go. Near my ray behind the shin. Catch with you.
I can well Shinam listen Kjol or Scarby to rod like get about the toxic masculinity bunch the shin near neck. Like what to Giri otherwise Ganesh and listen or it's very girly now.
I get on here now. Some cast of Danny and Kenny, cast of Danny show mar. Kenny Kjol just didn't like cook you better than that. Harps, so there's mandolins, so there's a Kjol Dante Sacornia. You know.
I'm going to be in Gra Larnach.
Yeah.
Like na Horan folk. Yeah, going in Gra Larnach and Shin.
Stoithe go bhfuil stíl éirithe stíl ceol éirithe an bhíon daine ag dúla go mé sam fear an agus ban an. Well, gur sin the stereotypes na tropes one leis. Well, anyway, before I get into a convoluted point I don't understand, I don't have the language capabilities to describe. Let's move on. And we'll guilty pleasures. Pleasure, no.
Drach fleisir beidir sin focail jazz fan haine drach fleisir.
Pleasure and pleasure, there's something wrong with it though, but anyway, nothing with it, right?
Yeah. Ceann bhainm sult as a gcónaí agus mé ag gáil seo am a heagleat an tíomh seo dú a osclú. ná nuair tá mé ag gáil am chuid ceart a beidir go luú mé roimhe seo agus coppla as dún gevan agus in dhé beidir 3 penta agus mé ag córa tá sin me go rá sor ag deireadh na habairtí. Sin creidim gur guilty pleasure é sin mar dearan muir gon gevan sir. Well, sir, did you see that, sir? Codge war wad baracht agus nuair tattoo agá agus tattoo géisteach lei sin agus an sin chuann tú caiithinn tú sir isteach ag deireadh de arbeirt maithíonn sé ar dóigh.
Sprámsa bheith deanna sin le lad. Sprámsa bheith deanna an rugchéanna le lad.
Lad.
Agus rud a Harlíonn na teagan blas feiristeach an námara agus mé alta agus mé related. Ní hé guilty pleasure just rud a Harlíonn de hasma. And ag bhfuil tú usage sir the interest.
Oh, tá.
Yeah, okay, so you're like, I'm gonna start.
Legam dú híon é usage nuair atá.
Pretty good.
Deach lom é usage tam le nuair nach chomí agá nó but just sa chóhéic seo maithíonn gur deagla mé rá.
An é nuair a tattoo Johnny Ray so the ihe muide a charge dat ik ceannach go chud beor ón áf leis agus an always into the outfit the ihe. You're like, I can't wait, I'm gonna go out with the guys, I'm gonna have some beers, I'm gonna say sir a lot of times.
Meg Dysela, Olivia Rodriguez.
Níor bhaithim mé sin fuad riú, sir, okay. I wonder will actually be ela in Yeran team we the tasum go project has na sé fan yan but team me ku go olu let's say will actually ha er be on usage in sir martian
Hele mé near hulle mé ach Beiger nura Tyrone agus Tyr chano duna na den triat hulle mé.
That's just to cudru. And we'll show coaching the gap gang at the mayo like sort of form anime actually can't cost a lads or sham running or shin or like a contemporary
Journey or Kenyan to Spanish deal my uncle and Aja
the coach can differ than show but I'm Kenny and shit the question and show na ombre the children just go farshing heart and spine but I wouldn't know that.
Aberlum Chanela o da lista.
Right. Well, kid can scream she's to learn more guilty pleasures of them so riddled with them. Don't have the time to remember them all. Sometimes I just shamefully forget them until I want to do it again.
Not being Louis rather be graceful and so.
Oh no, Conan, no. chéad ceanna tháinig thugam ó níomhhailm sa seo abá. Ach, tá sí am dú an rúna leigint. Beidir gur anyway, an chéad Twilight book. Lé mé agus mé beidir cuideag sééig nó sééig lé a dheararfathe ar fad é agus bhí sé ar fad le ceint faoi scan agus an na leir seo bhí go cinnta mé obsessed like, what is this? This is so rare. Agus is sin bhí an leir na líon sin agus rudí an chúclúte agus éad a haach.
Yeah.
Deach banna ceint faoi. You're like, oh, okay, we'll see what it's about. Sin an leir sin lum go cinnta le. I was really caught up in that whole thing.
Ar léití é níos móna ar a bhain.
Yeah, Geir.
No.
Flapped it up. One way trailers and Darna lore, it was pure shite.
Cé mé adbhail gur lé me se na trí leor.
Oh, ar chréith ní tú an tríú cin?
Yeah.
No, if you're sitting there going, oh lad.
But an dafar atá, you're a chréicní mé dúirt mé leithnaine. Just bhí mé géirí le. You want me saltas.
I only read 3
books.
I only read 3 books.
I read these 3
books. I was it's brad the rom-coms. Had since you love me going. But new Rutherby grammar no comedic for Twilight like. But I got really super invested in the Edward and what do you call it?
Bella.
Bella, am I here? Will they, won't they? Agus, yeah. No, so sin é agus
tú ag glúirt fa sin tá rún eile agam. Nuair a bhí mé a dhéagar beidir 3 bliana déag díos nó mar sin bhí an bailithin dá bhs agad na typical luairthaí dá chalíní déagarí bhí os agam.
Like what?
Tá sé le faoi na chalíní ag high school agus iad ag gol ar dátaí agus ag leor fóga.
I don't even know what these are, but it's hilarious.
It's a very sub-genre. Agus bhí an bailithin seo in sa chofrad tíb le lava Sarah. Agus harumí géirí go mélas ag agurúmí a léo so rahin isteach rí le agus dúan coppla duna luirí agus léhinníad agus when he an saltas agus daigin arás.
We were similar to me there, but
it's Kevin Lum Kiona when me an saltas. The sisterhood of the traveling pants.
Oh god. Well, that shouldn't clutch it galore, like that shouldn't clutch it.
Agus lé mé beidir faoi gá agus an sean fur ásin agus blian amach. Bhí mé nairist. My shameful burden.
They threatened to tell Big Francie.
Agus sílam gur chuir siad lás aim traveling pants or rud an seachtar fé táma.
My sisters, má dhearfar have Janan siad bug má dhearfar is oige. Is an chéad daine sa chat le Twilight Ike agus first sin like album. That's going to be CDs go for on first album the Twilight agus gahar. Ren si a bug dúsa. Mar agus Janan si go foil bug dúsa. Anytime I'm trying to score points, you're like, Liam, didn't you read Twilight like 3 times? I'm like, oh, okay. Shut up, Liam. Oh dear.
Okay. Tá rud ons na luairthaí nachhfuil luairthaí na muchlaí faoi an gra agus.
Well,
bíon dúlaigh aithne sna
Yeah.
téimi sin.
Really gahan dunne ag gursaí gra agus a scialta gra just ag an sin ní bhíon muidir géir adhá.
Yeah.
Agus ina cinneal, well, I mean, like, bíon duine céanú is ar lads a leon lór go generalta ag an sin. Agus man strudig lay to lower constellation and this. Well, if it wasn't in the young adult fiction genre, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Chéiste lay to 50 Shades of Grey.
I knew that's what you were gonna say. I knew. How did I know? Anyway, no.
Kira Gala.
Yes, that's true. No, nearly. Nearly, surprisingly.
Mis an hurd.
Yeah, lure me le dini a lay a lena, you know, lena partner and whatever. Give them a catch them all hulk her. Because edit that out. We'll just say let's give them a catch them all hat.
Yeah.
Agus vi sé alum vi mu dul go borless and lore shot all the big heck about it ram you agus first in lore agus just like where's all the good stuff. And then they just thought it was very underwhelming. You know, so no 2 thumbs down. Whoever wrote that book can't scream Russian.
Oh, EL. Ní Kevin them.
I'm walking through and scanning.
Hanaka, nah.
No, so but I don't know, just Miru. I don't know. Can't fat our own Lorson more because we basically lore on Constellation rather shit.
Like, I Mills and Blooms agus rudí mar sin.
Okay.
Sílim.
I don't know what that is.
Tá like na lorthaí duna seanbhra faoi gra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Agus.
But Beji go Shaw níos explicit.
No, seo sílim gur sin an gur seo an ceann cinneál nua amsra. Na cin rabh seo bhí siad a faoi níl sagam far fóstúg tiit an gra leis an bhain seo nó rudaí sean aiste seo like an ceann nua amsra le bondage agus rudaí an tú agus yeah.
Yes.
Agus seo like tá sé trendy le.
Cool grammar.
Okay.
Hig me an amgur BDSM agus bondage agus a le hid vi.
Rudaí gur hiig mé bhfuil an sin reaction.
That's right.
Oh, hitch.
I've lost you.
Liam Hart.
I don't know where you are. Oh God. Hey. Good to have you back there.
Okay, struck it out in the lista. Well, needs move.
Yes, it's in Twilight. This is very like liberating. Okay, show a piece of the flow. Okay, well, an hour Kierna, just to answer an hour Kierna. 2 weeks notice. Agus rom-coms kicking out there. That's going to scan in 2 weeks notice.
As thul mé an taim ní bheithin cinse gagu atá.
Great show. Hugh, what do you call him? What do you call your man? Hugh Grant, August Sandra Bullock.
The rom-com special. Yeah, it's
moving on.
No. Fanga blaming much rom-coms get the come on.
Okay.
And a seo tríomhse nar some mór agat sa rom-coms na go fáil.
It's Toby within your rom-coms.
Aye,
le Karen Mara, you know.
Yeah.
Toby rom-coms which.
But níl na rom-coms mar a
agus
bhí like a lár na 2000s.
oh no way, they're just pure. Well, maybe it's just my age, my generation. You know, Spradlumps and rom-coms from the late 2000s. Yeah,
Yeah.
Matthew McConaughey, Hugh Grant. Love Actually, Shannon Peak. The Higgler
Oh no,
sin
ní
Cara.
mailam sin. Ní mailam sin.
What? You might Love Actually.
It was too
English.
mar a Darren Maher, it was too sweet to be wholesome.
Spradlumps is not immersion. Life is nothing but pain. I don't want anything realistic.
No, hí dúlagams na rom-coms bhí getabog salach mar a gníos sin ní ró
Right.
ní ró an áhar sin ionta first le
Bhí sé into Jacker. The Jacker.
yeah, so
She into
ar
Jacker.
bhí rom-com agus bhí getabog de raiden on bheith ar bis.
Yeah. Ach a gcónaí nuair bhí meise ag gcóir. Oh god. A gcónaí mas rud ag grúm muid ag gcóir seo mar thuile. Síon muid síos agus go bhaid ar scan. Stoigh grú chudhaid teoilethe airnethe mar seo. Tuchad an réirc ar an scalan in níon céad póg. Leis dúir a dhéir níos teo. Tagging and T-Lin, yes.
Yeah.
Process begins with a sound coming from the sofa. Oh, like strike one. His t-shirt comes off. Strike two. Oh, wait. I don't like where this is going. Shouldn't the fuck will have on sofa. I don't like where this is going. And you're like, oh Jesus, da. Agus an sin just solar dagan and Kojala is. He goes, oh, okay, I think it's time. Switch it over to the lottery for 10 seconds.
Yeah. Me and Rod Kierna and Jack Shane.
And it's just like an awful wait. And I'm not because what's ready in yarn to protester be.
Yeah.
Can you today he's fudge it. I put you in jail. Put you in horny jail. That's what it was. Oh my god.
Sin Keir agus Harley sé. It's mar like a Harley sé had Corey Liam a horny jail.
She didn't go home like I don't know, Tommy Hector agus Lady country shot agus we team Tommy agus Hector country shot. Going dag when they're like, oh, I don't like that now. Just get that over. But yeah, it's like a hard sin.
Oh,
so actually, we miss it, but it actually worked because I grew to hate any kind of rom-coms with any kind of nudity.
I grew to hate any kind of intimacy in my relationships, and it scarred me ever since. Actually, it worked.
Well, no.
I have a deep.
Céad data am chéad Cailín. She leans in for the kiss. All she hears is, oh. Jessica, get in the horny jail now. Over there. Here's the way. Oh dear. No, but anyway, possibly got check. But one go chéile bhfuil hín le cardin or whatever go fé muid ceint agus dúirt me se le but nar aithrí do chuileach an channel. Nar aithrí do hisismóirí an channel. And they're like, no.
Into New Hampshire.
Yes, and I'd just be like,
it's nearly cool awkward tú garcéir agus níl tú géirí.
A gcónaí bhí na tuismóirí sin a gcónaí ar lehead 5 bliain níos oige na má tuismóirí. Generational difference. Bhí sé gcónaí, and it wasn't that they were 10 or 20 years younger. Bhí sé gcónaí just like 5 bliain níos oige. Sin an differ. Go dtí harla ar an get 5 bliain sin.
Yeah.
And why can't I have a healthy relationship? Those are the questions.
Well, rather be eile de lista.
I will order be our list because I give rom-coms. What is on your list?
Neil really rather be eile no.
Well, Corey Meshachundich.
Yeah.
So a Dacula Bia. Shaga Hulk now. It's Bralum sa care. Fat care.
Oh.
Is to the point that no much og the male bacon grinds, no bacon fat, waika flatte more year her her. I'm like, you gonna eat that?
Oh no.
I agree to the point where they're like, okay, if you don't want your bacon grinds, just give it to Liam. He's gonna eat it anyway.
Madu a tea.
Gidgean, nou niet aanzien is, maar Gidgean laat Sean Jr. echt met zijn bacon fat and bacon grinds. I'm like, oh, what a waste. God.
Oh,
It's delicious.
Sin kill an Jack.
Yeah, I'm so tempted by it. So tempted by it.
Níl sin really agam
Agus
the BRB.
Agus an amini garamsa and care Hugh just so those big lumps ihe leis hían. And it's actually really tashinta Aisha.
Bresin de shade of creek.
No, Jen, currency share machevnia, like, black and share me. Gigi, Majin Sahern, Fur Gabriel, Bagun, agus Abaha, Majin Sahern, the Mahoilach, Johnny Radigal or Shulage more. It's really, really nice.
Real
Yes.
wholesome.
Yeah. So care generalta on tanvi, chicken skin, all that stuff. But yeah, I don't know why. It's disgusting, but shinmo guilty pleasure ever a tree.
It's my chicken skin to shin jazz. Matashi.
Crispy. Aye, crispy. Yeah. But like Neil care jazz, man also crispy. Yeah. Okay. What is so good kajit Aintach jazz agus just current share strain te se chu jazz near a Yanan danigan tuchel chair of yon. Oh, we liked tuchel chair of yon. Costa la Madra no Catholic file tuchel bug. Current share straight in the that swingy fine or
You like in parrot. The theme of taxes. Torn fat dogs. Come on, Hyun agus tashi sasta. I got a aga. Team Wheaton Jack.
Oh dear, that's so funny. Oh dear. That's so true though. Okay. A bug here, right? Agus a more on fucker.
Nah. Couple of moments.
And Ken Jernach Barney, the nerving me Og, and there was two nerving me Rocky and Clarshaw. You make a foil work here. Barney the dinosaur. We can explore that another day. Why lumps the Rod Jernach and that classroom language. So Ustatu and Chang a Clenham Omo Hudge Delta and Amana. A churn or stray as a who grammar. Agus namely Tommy. Three gaire agus ní go ma vinny dífa mar ní chóú bheith gaire.
So Shaw Abertí and Merla nachnus siad Maris cart.
Agus nach take him.
Okay. Struck that.
Well, Kojoki take him, but agus Kojoki the show chat about Harja as well. It's hilarious. I just write them down the phone. I am personalized as a thing. I am personalized sa ze thing. Wait, I am still personalized as a thing. Every door. Me want the Zubriador. Me want the Zubriador.
Zubriador?
The Breedor. I got scared. I got scared.
I got a scare.
Scared. I got scared.
I got a scared.
Ooh. Oh, I got scared. That was from Halloween, I think. Okay. Already gonna hurl me a social le macharja. Vi sin a jazz. Vi den igen ag taskins Peter de den igen. Curry much animum lesh.
Yeah.
Jessica. Oh, very cute, Jessica. There means what? Oh, very cute, Jessica. There, very cute. Oh, thank you. I'm go Oh, thank you. I'm going to pee.
I'm going to pee. Oh, Dirge Powell, Shaw Kiona Jaren Powell. Vi much chatú lura go ba clia agus vi much Harvey an chat agus dirt sé vi sé gra like ke sé go higan leiras agus just a couple of moments that he made in Jack I'm peeing. I was like say hi. I took a lot of fun a couple of moments in these point no I'm peeing agus mi me agus Harlin sa Spanish Jaren siad is dó meando me agus killing sin I'm peeing Jaren sé
I have the need
to go higan later
to Gakin and then we finished. My father castaneted me. My father castaneted me. Agus seo ceanna Harlané agus bhí mis trí géire. An dóil Lauren siad bíon go into dóin acu. Bhí Bert Kelly on. Agus dúirt an Kelly seo, let's call her. Call her Anne. Oh, I was going to go for a wee last name, Anne.
Okay.
I said the word hometown, and Annie says, hometown? And the girl beside her goes, SK! Annie! Hometown! Hometown! Annie! I don't know if that's funny, but that's it. That's my classroom language from the week.
Okay.
More.
Faggy Mudgeon Shaw. Done Jackton. Curry is Jack were Gudge Droch Pleasure Kiota Kianta Kabirod.
Into way.